Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. With ADA, we don't have any change to the wave count. Ethereum did shake up the market yesterday a little bit. Bitcoin, however, didn't show any motivation to break out to the upside. Also, ADA doesn't show any motivation. Instead, we continue to see corrective sideways movement. Just a very quick reminder of where we are. The idea is that this price structure that advanced since the 10th of March or between the 10th of March and the 16th of April, we count that as wave 1, and afterwards we have been coming down in a wave 2 correction. The wave 2 consists of an ABC correction, and the idea is that we are now in this B wave here, and the B wave can be counted easily as an Elliott wave triangle. It could also develop to a higher B wave, would then run into these resistance areas, but we can always only analyze what we can see, understand the potential. And at the moment, what we see is that ADA doesn't have any potential to create a higher B wave. So the overall Elliott wave count of the triangle remains valid. The triangle consists of 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E. We've been talking about them. And so far, ADA has done what it needs to do in this E wave. Yeah, so the E wave is now a nice 3-wave structure as well. What happens in the triangles is that we have obviously 5 waves. Each of the subwaves is a corrective structure. So typically a 3-wave move. Sometimes, for example, the E wave can be a triangle itself, but that's in exceptional circumstances. What we currently see here is that we have an ABC structure in wave E. I've been counting that in the detailed count to just show that we could be nearly finished with the E wave, and we've seen quite a reaction here yesterday or overnight, and price starts to push down. It will now be interesting to see if price can now follow through to the downside. We've been talking about the head and shoulders pattern here that we see on the chart. That head and shoulders pattern is typically a bearish pattern. I don't normally like head and shoulders, they often don't work out, but it's still worth pointing out, especially if it is in alignment with the Elliott wave count, which would also suggest a breakout to the downside. Because typically triangles break out to the downside or to the opposite side of the E wave. Breakout point here would be the low of the B wave of the triangle. That's always the confirmation. So if price can break below 37.8 cents, it would be confirmation of our triangle wave count and would follow through. And the idea would then be that the higher level B wave or higher degree B wave is finished and we're following through to the downside in wave C. And then the yellow support area becomes relevant. We will have support here at 36 cents and 33.3. Why do I say the E wave could be finished? Well, first of all, the E wave is a 3-wave move. You can clearly see an ABC structure in the E wave. I think I shared that yesterday on Discord for channel members. I think I did. I cannot remember 100%, but we had a target here, the A wave of the E wave, go to the low of the B wave, and typically what you're looking for is sort of around the 1-to-1 ratio here. That would be an ideal target for the C wave. Wasn't quite reached in this stage, in this situation, but we got very close. And always bear in mind that we are in a triangle, so the market hasn't really made up its mind yet. You see a lot of quick up and down movements. But this is now important, so we just need to be watching for a breakout below 37.8 cents. And if that happens, it would confirm that the triangle is finally broken. Until that happens, this can of course extend higher. Yeah, just an example, this could become a larger A wave, then the B wave, and we could get one more leg up in a C wave. Unfortunately, that's always possible. They can always extend out. Yeah, and then the E wave would sit here. There's no way of predicting that, yeah, but a lot of analysts don't even show these wave degrees. I do, because people want to learn and want to understand my thoughts behind my labeling. But yeah, please understand that they are on a lower time frame less reliable. But yeah, that's the situation with ADA. No change. So I hope you like the update. If you like the update, then please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.